Hey, let me show you how you can fix the connection issue with your Huawei FreeBuds SE2. So if you have the same notification like in my case, and you basically cannot select them from this list because all time this notification is popping, so let me show you the way how to fix it. So first of all, I can recommend you to go back from the Bluetooth and simply restart the Bluetooth. So turn it off for a few seconds. Then on your earbuds, I can recommend you to put them back to the charging case. Input both earbuds inside the charging case, and now as you can see in my case they are in the pairing mode automatically, but for some reason if it doesn't work for you for some reason, it's like this or it's green, you have to find the start sensors right here and right here, these small cutouts in the earphones, and you have to touch it with the two fingers at the same time, and then take a look for this indicator. It starts blinking white. So right now we can release, and it means that we are in the pairing mode. So put this case open and turn on the Bluetooth back on your phone, and now click to pair new device. As you can see, we can find these earbuds another time, so let's try to connect them. Let's click on them once and try to accept the pairing request. Okay, and as you can see, right now it is working and everything is fine. So yeah, that's all for this video. Bye!